Hello folks, Double Tap here and welcome back to the channel. Today we're doing a beer review on the Black Rock Mai Bock beer that we brewed. It's been 2 months since we brewed it. It's now been in the bottles for well over a month, probably getting on for maybe a month and a week. So we did a 2-can kit. We used our beer enhancer 2 that we made, and the percentage come out at 6.8%. We also added finings to it, and this one worked out at 78 pence per pint. So crack a bottle open on and see how we get on. Can't remember, I think we used the carbonation drops on this one, but I can't remember if it was this one or the other one that I used sugar with. Right then. Got some gases coming up the neck, and there goes my phone. Full of life this one is, look at that. Nice head building. Okay then, very light, wheaty, amber colour that is. There's absolutely tons of carbonation in there. Not sure if you're getting that on the video. We try and get it by this light a bit. I don't think it's coming up any better, but it looks absolutely brilliant, that beer does. Okay, got a nice stable head on there. It's like, I don't know, like maybe a bit like a lager, but like bit of a brown tint to it. Looks quite nice. Head don't look like it's going to stay to me. Lovely aroma to it. It smells just like the beer kit, but more enhanced when we was putting the malt and that in the fermenter. Lovely light malt smell to it. And it reminds me of like one of them hobgoblin type beers. It's got that smell to it. Cheers folks. Well, that's a cracking pint, that is. That is nice. It's quite thick in consistency. I'm going back to the special brews again because it's the only thing I can think of which is one down from Guinness in terms of how thick the drink is, but it's definitely on a par with one of them. It tastes like one of them Bavarian beers that it's got tons of flavour in it, but it's not overpowering. You can taste the power in there. A few of these, if you're not used to drinking, and you're going to feel it because it's a strong beer, but it is so smooth. There's no aftertaste, there's no bad tastes when you initially drink it. It's a lovely smooth pint. I've had this one in the fridge for probably only about half an hour, not long, and it's perfect, that is. It must be one of them beers that works well with just a little bit of coldness. It's nice. I'm impressed with this one. Just cold enough, that is. It's spot on. I can't say anything bad about this beer. The kits were a bit more expensive. I think I paid £25 for the 2 cans, but worth every penny. Absolutely. How many pints? I can't remember how many pints we got out of it. Must have been around, I think it was 32 we got out of that, at 78 pence per pint. That's fantastic price for this. I'd do this kit again 100%. Marks out of 10, an 8 plus, easy. I want to give it a 9, but excuse me, I'm reserving that for when I do my Sweet Nuki Brown again, because that was my favourite beer so far. But yeah, if you've not given it a try, Black Rock Mai Bock, they're the beer kits, and this one has turned out fantastic. Head retention is non-existent at this point. As you can see, it's gone down, but in all fairness, there's that much life going on in this beer. All you're getting is tons and tons of bubbles every second. There's bloody hundreds of them. In a month's time, maybe two, the head retention might be a bit better, but it ain't the best now. It's an 8+ all day long. Give it a try, because this is an absolutely cracking beer. Anyway, I'm going to leave it there, folks. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, don't forget a thumbs up and subscribe. I'll catch you in the next episode. I'm Double Tap, and bye for now.